Mr. Keiser, what I want to ask you first is, why has the financial situation in Dubai reached this point? I mean, is it just the debt crisis in Dubai world?
Well, the entire region faces a debt crisis, and Dubai is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of the global debt crisis. And, of course, the Dubai developments were built on extreme leverage. And now that the global debt crisis is entering its phase 2, and various countries around the world are now incapable of meeting their debt obligations, we're going to see some more turbulence in the region. And it's interesting, the developments in Dubai, of course, for example, the famous palm-shaped island development is sinking by more than 5 millimeters per year. So that's adding complications to the debt rescheduling of these projects. They're actually sinking into the Gulf.
Well, Mr. Keiser, you did say the markets there are volatile, as we know. Well, Dubai's finance chief says the UAE is better in implementing change than publicizing it. But do you think this is going to soften global investors' views?
Well, global investors are pulling back, and cash is king. And if you have a lot of leverage, you're not in a good position. So this entire region is extremely leveraged, and Dubai more so than any other country in the region. And they've got some other problems other than the fact that they're highly leveraged. They've also got the problem of the entire region now facing the prospect of peak oil over the next 10 to 15 years, where not even their fabled oil reserves are going to be able to service the debt. So debt is really putting tremendous strain on the finances in the region, and the problems in Dubai are just getting started.
So what you're saying is, do you think the reactions by the global markets are psychological, or are you saying they'll have a real influence?
I think the markets are telling the truth here, that there is systemic problems, there's fundamental problems, and these bonds that are collateralizing the projects are trading for 50 cents on the dollar, and they will continue to trade down because nobody should have any faith in the financial problems of the region being sorted out anytime soon. And the cash is extremely hard to come by these days because of the global credit crunch.
Max Keiser, expert in economic affairs, joining us there from Paris.